Best 5 CRM software for small businesses. Full overview and review. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be doing a deep dive into the different popular CRM tools and what are my top 5 picks. I also have a honorable mention, so we're going to have 6 CRMs in total that we are going to be discussing. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Now, the quality of any business is often determined by the quality of the system that you're using. And for a lot of small businesses, integrating a CRM, which is a customer relationship management software, into your business is the core of everything that will do to help your business establish a simple, systematic tool that is going to streamline your sales processes and help you close more deals and improve your marketing quicker, have organized activities, be able to accomplish tasks, and help you in better managing contacts and communications. All of this is done with the help of a good CRM. And this can help you in not only managing your external assets of your business, so communication with customers, but communication within teams can also be a really important function of a CRM. You can also derive a lot of vital data like sales reports, activities, as well as many other metrics that can help you in measuring your success as a small business. So let's get started with our top picks for the top 5 CRM tools and whether or not the CRM tool that you are using is going to be right for you, because different CRM tools have different focuses, and to have different focuses means that you might have a better match with a different CRM, even if you're on the free plans. So let's get started. First off on our list is HubSpot. HubSpot is a popular CRM and a all-in-one marketing platform. Now, I love mentioning HubSpot because it provides you with so much value. Not only do they have a feature-packed free CRM, they also have a lot of different marketing tools like email marketing, as well as some levels of social media marketing that can be unlocked for free. You can also include the ability to add and manage up to 1 million contacts that you can engage on with HubSpot with their unlimited users. And you can have unlimited management on your pipeline with deal management and reporting. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. What I love about HubSpot is that they extend their products into their vital areas for running your business. So by this, I mean you can create a full feature website, you can create full feature landing pages, create engaging email marketing, and as well as create amazing tasks and tickets within that. You will see that a lot of their free features are going to be things that you might have thought of to only be available for their paid versions. And depending on your team's needs and your requirements, you might grow to upgrade. And I would say when you're upgrading a CRM, that can be costly. But if you look at the pricing of HubSpot with the features that it does have, although upgrading is initially a bit expensive, especially when it comes to just. So over here, if you take a look at the pricing of HubSpot with their Marketing Hub Starter, it starts at $15, but their starter customer platform starts at the same price. Now, with their sales tools, they have a lot of marketing tools integrated, and you can simply click on create a bundle, and you can create a bundle for your business. So the starter plan offers great value, and the price can be lowered down to upwards of $15 per month, where it can include basic versions of all of their platforms, including their marketing, sales, service, content, and operation hub starters for only $15 per seat, which is a lot of value for the high quality or the feature packed tools that you're going to have. Now, let's take a look at what the HubSpot CRM dashboard is going to look like. Now, if I sign in to the HubSpot account directly with my email address, it's a quick login like so. And once we do that, this is what the CRM is going to look like. On the left, you have different workspaces, your contacts, companies, deals, tickets, lists, inbox, calls. Then you have ads, forms, and emails, as well as different content, automations, reporting, data management, and so much more. Now, all of this is super feature packed and can help you in many aspects of CRM management. Now, let's move on towards our second pick, which is Zoho CRM. Now, Zoho CRM is another really amazing tool. We're going to actually go to their dashboard first and we're going to scroll down. This is one of the top rated sales CRMs out there. And Zoho CRM is quite different than HubSpot, I would say. The overall interface of Zoho CRM is far more updated. It's a suitable CRM solution for small businesses and businesses that are looking for a CRM that is just a part of a dynamic system because Zoho is far better at multi management with different elements of business rather than HubSpot, I would say, because the Zoho CRM is just a part of the dynamic ecosystem of applications that they have, and it's designed to grow your business similar to HubSpot. Zoho offers a comprehensive free plan limited to 3 users only. So, this is one thing to keep in mind that they are limited to 3 users only, but it offers all the essential tools that you would need as a small business. It covers things like deals, contacts, leads, tasks, events, and more. And make sure to go ahead and look at some of the pricing of Zoho and Zoho's tools because Zoho has pricing that can be bundled. So if you're already using Zoho solutions, then opting for enterprise versions of Zoho is not as expensive as subscribing to multiple different tools. Their enterprise version is only $40 per user, which includes their Zia, which is their AI assistant, territory management, custom modules, custom functions, and multi-user portals, kiosk studios, client scripts, and sandboxes. You also have all of the things included in the standard and professional version, including mass emails, custom fields, workflows, sales forecasting, custom reports, Canvas, and much more. You have a lot of different things that are offered on Zoho, and the Zoho CRM, again, is super nice and it has everything that you're going to need, including things like a simple setup, and easy to set up lead system, a simple pipe drive that you can build with for your sales, for your lead management as well, and you can have a smooth onboarding. With the right tools, your business can grow very extensively on Zoho because Zoho is so comprehensive when it comes to each of their elements. So if you just click on get started over here, I'm gonna just do this and do that. Click on get started. Once you click on get started, this is what your CRM is gonna look like. As I told you guys, the interfaces look pretty different, but still everything is listed very neatly on Zoho. Your leads, contacts, accounts, deals, everything's on the top. And you can view your projects, track project services, calls, and meetings, and much more. So let's move on towards our third CRM tool, which is the Monday.com CRM. Now, Monday.com is known for its project management capabilities. However, they have recently invested heavily into their sales CRM, and the popularity of Monday comes from its easy to use and customizable boards and tasks, which you can find across all their different types of products. So, just as easy as it is to manage your projects on Monday and manage your tasks on Monday, you're going to have a same feel. We're going to have a same interface for managing contacts, leads, deals, and your entire sales process. The Monday.com CRM offers a 14-day free trial for teams starting at around $10 per user per month. Again, you can go on ahead and compare the pricing to other market competitive pricing, but you're going to find that Monday.com has effective CRM solutions for small businesses when it comes to not only Monday CRM sales pipeline, but you also have a lot of project management capabilities directly integrated. I would say Monday.com definitely lags behind when it comes to marketing solutions. So if you're someone that is looking for a CRM tool that is able to handle email marketing as well, Monday.com can be crossed off your list because Monday.com specializes more so in, in things like project management and things like task management rather than going into things like marketing or Instagram integrations, things like that, you're not going to find that to be pretty effective. You're not going to find Monday.com to be a comprehensive tool for you if you are in that situation. So, in general, the setup is going to be relatively easy, and you can go on ahead and proceed just like so. You can add people in your team and go into the CRM. The CRM tool of Monday.com is actually very, very similar to project managers, although it's something that you never think about. But even though it's very unlikely that CRM tools can be built like project managers, Monday.com does a great job at making sure that the appearance of both Monday and the appearance of Monday's CRM are embedded within each other. So you can proceed with the same steps as you normally would using your regular old Monday.com workspace manager. You can see active contacts, inactive contacts, fields, leads, accounts, client projects, activities, and a sales dashboard. This is one of their sample data templates that is going to be added by default if you so choose. And moving on to next on our list, we have Streak. Streak is something that comes directly from Gmail. It's something that is going to be useful when you're into your Gmail inbox and you're looking at the sales process in your email inbox, and you need to have an extension that is free to use, that is easy, that is going to help you with your communication for your customer relationship management. Streak.com is ideal for people in small teams that love using mail, that love using Gmail. Having a tool like Streak alongside you can help you in managing your communications really effectively. Especially when you're just starting out your business, you might not have a lot to invest. You might not have a lot of tools. You might not have the ability to manage everything effectively as an individual and have all of your communications be on top of them. You can use Streak for that. And with the pricing on Streak, they do have a pro version, and they even have a free version as well. Now, if we compare their Pro Plus, and Enterprise version, you can create private pipelines. You have shared pipelines. You have boxes where you have rows of data with items moving through your pipelines. You can create unlimited of those. Then when it comes to mail merge, you have 1,500 per day. When it comes to email tracking and snippets, you have link tracking, contacts, shared contacts, Google Workspace integration, and then you have their core CRM features like tasks and reminders, custom columns, magic columns, search and autocomplete, file attachments, call logs and meeting notes, streak upcomings, as well as linked pipeline items, saved views. Then you have advanced CRM features like enriched contacts, formulas, and more. However, on their Pro plan, you don't have the AI Copilot, which can be really helpful to build deal summaries, ask a deal a question, or autofill deal data. However, this is available on the Pro Plus version. Then if you want to integrate this with Zapier, you don't have that ability in the Pro version. Then you don't have automations, integrations, as well as reporting. You have standard reporting, but if you want advanced reporting, you have to upgrade. Then when it comes to data validation, you don't even have that in the Pro Plus, so this ensures data is consistent. Then you have basic permission, and then you also have onboarding and training available on all versions of the Streak CRM. Now, their pricing starts at $59 per user per month, and for the Pro Plus, it's $89 per user per month, and then the Enterprise version has $159 per user per month for their CRM solutions. Now, moving on towards our last CRM of the day, we have Pipeline. This is one of the market CRMs that is both customizable and visually engaging to use, and that is Pipedrive. It's similar to Streak in that it is a platform that focuses on the core CRM functions, specifically designed to drive more customers. And I like how CRM functions are integrated within the sales process. It has a lot of features to the unique needs of different businesses. So essentially, the software is flexible and suitable for any industry type due to how customizable the elements are and how tailored the features can be. Now, when it comes to a free trial, you can get a free trial on Pipedrive. This is one of their simple pages, but if you go into their pricing section over here, by going into pricing over here, their plans start at $14, which is the Essentials plan that has lead, calendar, and pipeline management. You have seamless data imports and 400 integrations, as well as activity, deal, and contact reports. Then you have the advanced version at $34, which has live chat support, meeting and video scheduling, automations, and more. And then their professional version, which now has AI support at $49 per user. You have an AI powered sales assistant and emailing tools. You have contract and proposal management. Then you also have streamlined lead routing and team management. You have revenue forecasts and extra data entry and data quality settings. And you also have their Power version at $64 with project planning, tracking, and delivery, increased control of account permissions and visibilities, 24/7 live chat support and phone support. And then the enterprise version at $99 per seat per month with enhanced security preferences, complete access to features, and maximizing the number of automations and email syncs per month. Now to get started, click on try it for free, enter your work email over here, or you can continue with Google for a even quicker and simpler sign up process on the Pipedrive CRM. Once you click on continue over here, just enter your phone number, click on next. Once you add your basic information here, we're going to accept their terms of service and then click on next. Once you click on next over here, you're just going to proceed with your account creation. Their overall sales CRM is pretty similar to, I would say, HubSpot in terms of visually, the interface having similarities, but I would say that your basic interface, although it is similar to HubSpot, this is not like HubSpot at all. This is just something that is so customizable. And I would say that it's very different from HubSpot when it comes to regular old customization. Now we're just going to do their CAPTCHA over here and then just click on verify. Our account is going to be created. And just like that, we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for our account creation to be done. And once this has been completed, so this is what the CRM looks like. And then you're going to have some sample data within your CRM. Generally, on the left, you will find leads, deals, projects, campaigns, sales inboxes, activities, contacts, insights, products, and then a marketplace. And then you can go into more and view your automations, your automatic assignment, documents, and data imports. You can move things step by step, just like so. So, what should you be using, and what is the honorable mention today? Well, our honorable mention is actually Bittrex 24. Bittrex 24 is something that has unlimited users. This is one of their major selling points as a CRM. You have a lot of different features with a free AI assistant, but their features are limited. But with a larger team that is not doing a lot of difficult work, you can actually do a lot with Bittrex 24. So I would say this is an honorable mention on today's list. But generally, I would say that if you require a lot of customization, go for Pipeline. If you're someone that works on Gmail a lot, that works a lot on mailing, then go for Streak. Then if you are someone that is already familiar with the Monday.com or Zoho interface, you should opt for those platforms because they're just going to be simple to migrate to. And HubSpot for people that are looking for an all-in-one jam-packed tool that has all the features that they would need for their customer relationship management. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.